Hello, my manga drawing friends, cartoonists, and other artists. My name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on how to draw cartoons. And you can see those books at my website, christopherhartbooks.com, and see the tutorials inside. And today I have a fun character to show you and how to draw it. And it's based on very simple shapes, but it's got a lot of personality. We're going to do a kawaii style cat. Very cute cat based on shapes. And we're going to go with the rough stuff first right here before we go to the finished stuff. We're going to make an oval for the head. It could be sloppy, it could be perfect. Doesn't matter, it's a starting point. We're going to be changing it as we go along. And then we're going to add this little kind of semi-oval below it. Like that. See that shape? It's kind of funny, isn't it? It doesn't look like it's a cat yet, but it will be a cat. So what you want to do is add this chest part here, and these become the arms and little legs behind, like that. You see? And we'll finish this all out when we add some. I'll use a marker on it, and we'll bring it out so you can really see it. Now put the center line in, going right through the center. This is the center. Make sure it goes through the body of the center, not just the head. Low eye line, which is curved because the head is curved, not just straight. And we'll put button eye on one side and a button eye on the other. Little eyebrows up. A little bit surprised. I'll put a little nose high in the face, very small, and a little split lip. Like, huh? What happened? I don't get it. Now we're going to make it even cuter by extending the side of the head down with a couple of ruffles and bringing it back in. And extend the side of the head, a few ruffles, and bring it back in, like that. Again, it's just rough, and it doesn't matter if you make a quote-unquote mistake. No such thing. It just means you're trying different approaches. That's what a mistake is. You need to try different approaches, so you need to make mistakes. A little collar kind of delineates the top from the bottom, and give them a little, collar plate there. Alright, now we'll put the ears on the sides, not the top, but the sides, pointing out, and it's the top part that points out. See that? Again, it's the top part that points out. See? Not both parts. And I have a little design inside. I'll just make a little squiggle like this. You can do anything you want. You can do a circle. You can do a spiral. And I'll put a little bit of tuft of hair up here. And a little marking on the side, which I'll fill in a minute. Of course, we don't leave out that tail that comes out from behind. And a little horizon line. So now we're ready to go. We have it roughed out, which we wanted to do. And we'll start with the eyes because now it's done. Isn't it interesting though? When you start to draw, you always start with the outside, with the construction. But when you finish, you can start anywhere. You can start on the eyes, which is fun. But if you start on the eyes first, you don't really know exactly where you're going. Tiny little nose. Oh no, what's wrong? Oh no, someone took the milk? And we're going to use a different, thinner line for a couple of whiskers. Okay, so let's bring this down. Same thing here. Mimic where it goes on both sides so it's even, has nice symmetry. If you hear something chewing in the background, that's Spencer, my dog. He promised he would be quiet during taping. He promised. But then he always promises. Spencer. Spencer dog. Making the world safe from squirrels. Okay, here we go. All right, now, front here, and just kind of like, kind of puffy paws, so you don't have to really define them. A little bit of the chest area there. And bring it to the back, kind of puffy thighs. and a short tail. Here we go, and here is the marking that we talked about. And we're just gonna color that in, Spencer. Spencer! Spencer! No, that's a plug, Spencer. He thinks it's a chew toy. Is he going to be surprised? Okay, he's fine, don't worry. I keep an eye on him. Maybe a little bit of shading here. And we'll bring that line here for the horizon. It won't be as bold as the other lines. And how about we give this little guy, little surprise lines. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a lot of books on anime and even pamphlets on how to draw anime. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. I think you'll really enjoy these. So it's got a lot of good stuff in it. Please visit my website and please subscribe. I have new videos every Monday. Bye-bye.